everyone! I'm so excited to have received my first Spellbinders monthly card club kit. This kit is so full of fun and beautiful product that I wanted to share this unboxing with you so you can hurry on over to Spellbinders and get one. Supplies are limited and the kit is only available during the month of March. I have included a link in the description of this video. Here's a quick rundown of what is included in the kit. We start off with this fun little sheet with inspiration to start you off creating cards with the kit. You receive a roll of high-tack double-sided tape, a sheet of double-sided foam, some adhesive pearls, a sheet of white sentiments with a beautiful gold background containing phrases and single words so you can create your own sentiments, 10 card bases and envelopes, these lovely adhesive doilies, pretty flowers in 3 colors that go with the color scheme of the kit, this beautiful chipboard hello with a gold mirror finish, some adorable hot air balloon embellishments with brads to secure them to cards, scrapbook pages, or other projects, 2 fun rosettes that match the paper in the kit, this set of ephemera of beautiful flowers, leaves, and decorating elements, chipboard stickers with gold accents, some more acetate pieces, this time with sentiments, frames, and a colorful doily, 2 yards each of 5 beautifully coordinating ribbons in a variety of widths and finishes, this wonderful die set which includes a circle that cuts out the middle of one of the dies, or you can just have a circle, a tiny circle to create tags, a 3-layer flower, here is the heart circle which can be combined with the round die, this beautifully embossed rectangle frame, and a banner which would be great to create tags with. As if that wasn't enough, you also receive 11 sheets of 8.5-inch by 11-inch paper, including 5 sheets of colored cardstock that coordinate with the patterned papers, embellishments and ribbons, a double-sided sheet of gold mirror paper, and 5 sheets of beautiful patterned paper. Talking about jam-packed, this kit is incredible. All of the pieces were so easy to coordinate and put together that I created 10 cards in no time at all using the kit, a paper trimmer, my Spellbinders prism, and my own adhesive. The kit does come with plenty of adhesive and foam squares, but I chose to save the tape for a different project. I also used this wonderful Spellbinders sentiment set from Tammy Tutoro and my February 2018 small die club kit, which are these beautiful border dies. Here are the 10 cards I've created so far. All of the measurements and details are available in the accompanying blog post. My process when creating cards with a kit like this is simple. I go through the kit and decide what cards I want to make and do all the prep work to create the cards with the exception of the final assembly. After I created all of the pieces of the cards I wanted to make right away, I went through and assembled each of the 10 cards. I can probably make at least 10 more cards, if not more, with the remaining supplies, and love that even when the kit is completely used, I still have the wonderful dies to create with. I hope this inspires you to create using this wonderful kit. Remember, it's only available this week. It's a great time to head on over to the Spellbinders page, as they have amazing sales going on as well. For more information, please visit my blog at www.perkypennypapers.com. and follow my Instagram at perkypennypapers. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it, and subscribe to my channel to see when new videos are uploaded. A list of supplies is available in the description of this video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today.